everyone. This is DKube QueriLynx, your AI-powered data co-pilot that lets you query, analyze, and visualize data from multiple databases using natural language without writing a single line of SQL. DKube QueriLynx brings together a team of intelligent agents that plan, query, summarize, evaluate, and visualize results, all in a secure, seamless workflow. Here is the first look at QueriLynx. We start with the New York City taxi dataset, stored in a MySQL database with separate tables for yellow taxis, green taxis, for hire vehicles, and a taxi zone lookup. These tables have no predefined relationships, but that's not a problem for QueriLynx. We begin by asking, what's the average fare amount for yellow and green taxi trips? QueriLynx automatically detects the right tables, constructs two separate queries, and returns the average fares, along with helpful insights and noted limitations. Next, we ask about the distribution of payment types. We see that credit cards dominate both yellow and green taxi trips. There's no payment data for hire vehicles, and QueriLynx correctly excludes them from the analysis. Now we want to identify the top 3 pickup locations with the highest average tip percentage for both yellow and green taxis. Despite the lack of joins in the database, QueriLynx intelligently connects the taxi trip data with the zone lookup table, generating accurate join statements and delivering both a visual summary and detailed breakdown for each taxi type. Next, we connect a PostgreSQL database with air traffic data from San Francisco's public datasets, covering terminals, airlines, time, and location. We ask, which airlines had the highest average low-fare passengers per flight in Q1 of 2025? QueriLynx pulls the data, runs the necessary joins and filters, and identifies Southwest, JetBlue, and Frontier as the top performers, with a clear bar chart and final SQL query provided. Then, we ask, which terminal handled the most international enplanements last year? QueriLynx calculates totals and shows Terminal 3 as the busiest, with over 16 million passengers. Finally, we explore year-over-year trends. What were the top 5 boarding areas by passenger growth between 2023 and 2024? QueriLynx computes growth rates, highlighting increases in boarding areas B, then boarding areas A and C, and a decline in area D, all backed by clear visuals and the underlying SQL. DKube QueriLynx brings together a self-evaluating multi-agent system that understands natural language, writes and runs SQL, and delivers insights instantly, without any manual effort. With built-in traceability, secure scalability, and seamless access to multiple databases, it turns complex data workflows into fast, transparent conversations. So, this was DKube QueriLynx, making enterprise data accessible, insightful, and actionable through the power of AI-driven conversations.